2025 Toyota Tacoma is a vehicle in the truck category, with the largest following outside of Detroit's Big Three depending on where you are. Their fan base may be even larger than that of Ford, GM, or Ram. The Toyota Tacoma relies on its reliability and simplicity to give it a Toyota effect that hasn't nearly changed the recipe for the Tacoma and Tundra for more than a decade. The Toyota Tacoma is also equipped with new powertrain technology on the way, as Toyota says every model it sells will be offered with an electric variant by 2025. And that includes trucks. In this case, we expect the 2025 Toyota Tacoma to provide a reveal of the BZ4X electric crossover concept that specifically mentions hybrid and battery electric power. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma will be great if it launches with a more innovative model than before. On the other hand, Toyota has previewed the all-electric Tacoma as part of its next-generation pickup lineup, which is coming soon. The 2025 Toyota Tacoma is sure to be a big hit in the country's best-selling midsize pickup truck class, and its assembly facility in San Antonio has been rotating around the clock to propel the vehicle to record sales earlier this year. However, mid-range pickup newcomers from Ford, the new Ranger, and Fiat Chrysler, Jeep Gladiator will increase the pressure on Toyota to finally make some serious improvements to the vehicle, as recent figures show. By focusing on weight reduction and basic engine upgrades in Tacoma, Toyota can continue to lead the increasingly competitive mid-range pickup segment by combining its current performance with great fuel economy, saving thousands of consumers in the process. Despite selling a larger number of light trucks, Toyota has largely ignored the major powertrain advances in these vehicles, which is why our latest automaker ratings analysis shows their average fuel economy has declined over the past few years. For the 2016 model year, the Tacoma did receive a significant upgrade to the top-tier engine, replacing the 4.0 LV6 that has been around since 2004 with a new 3.5 LV6 that uses the part-time Atkinson cycle and incorporates port and direct injection for a solid mix of power and efficiency.